Hey students, today we are going to study about the states of matter. Let's explore solids, liquids and gases by Ms.Saamiyah Jamil, which is me of course. But first of all, you have to subscribe to my channel Simple AlChemy. Let's explore it. Let's start the class. First of all, let's talk about the states of matter. So, alright everyone, buckle up because we are going to dive into one of the coolest, the most matter of fact topics in chemistry, which is the states of matter. So, what's a matter? Imagine everything around you, your water bottle, the air you are breathing, even your school bag. It's all matter. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. So basically, if you can touch it, if you can smell it, or even feel it around you, it's matter. Matter can be found in 3 different forms. Let's break these down in a super simple way, like we are playing a game. Spot the difference. So what are they? Solid, liquid, and gas. Number 1. What are solids? Solids, they are strong and steady. So what do you see? Things that have a definite shape and don't spill or flow around, like your pencil, a chair, or an ice cube. So its volume is fixed, shape fixed too, density very high because the particles are packed tightly together. Do they flow? Nope, solids don't flow. Fun fact, solids are like the introverts of matter. They like to put and don't mingle much. Liquids, chill and flowy. What do you see? Stuff like water, juice, or oil. They don't have their own shape. They take the shape of whatever container they are in. So volume, fixed. Your juice doesn't just disappear, right? So the volume is fixed. Shape, shape changes. They take the shape of the container, they take the shape of the bottle or a cup. Density, moderate to high. Flow, yep, they flow very easily. Now the activity is try pouring the water into a glass, bowl or a bottle. See how it changes shape every time. So it takes the shape of a bowl, it takes the shape of a bottle. Now what are gases? They are invisible movers. What do you see? Well, mostly you don't see them. Air, oxygen, the gas in your fizzy drink, those are all gases. Volume not fixed, they spread out to fill any space. Shape definitely not fixed. Density low, particles are far apart. They flow super easily. Experimental idea, blow up a balloon, the gas inside fills up the space. The gas inside fills up the space in the balloon. It's cool, right? Next, let's compare them quickly. Solid, the volume is fixed, shape is fixed, flow, nope, density high. Liquids, volume fixed, shape, it takes the shape of the container, flow easily, density medium to high. Gas, volume not fixed, shape not fixed, fills container, flow, it flows easily, and density very low because the gas particles are far apart, so they have lots of empty space between them, so they can flow, they have low density. So why does this matter? Changing temperature or pressure can change matter from one state to another. Like ice, which is solid, it melts into water, liquid. Water boils into steam, and steam cools down and becomes water again, which is condensation. That's science magic, or as we call it, a change of state. Now, it's a fun fact for you. Gallium. There's even a metal called gallium that can melt in your hand. Yes, I'm not kidding. Just your body heat is enough to turn it from solid to liquid. Gallium is solid. Its uh, its melting point is your body temperature, which is 36 and 37. So when it touches the body, it melts. Now, remember this. The final thought about these states of matter. So next time you're drinking juice, feeling the wind, or holding your favorite pen, remember, you are surrounded by matter and it's always in motion, just in different states. So that's it, folks. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment your doubts or questions if you have related to the states of matter and the phase changes, and also drop your suggestions in the comment box on which topic you want to see the next video. I'll see you in the next video and the next class. Bye bye. Take care.